Great visuals are important, but don't forget about the audio. Let's make sure your video sounds as good as it looks. Here's how you can improve your audio quality in Premiere Pro. Let's improve and balance your audio in Adobe Premiere Pro using few simple steps. These will make your audio sound clear and professional. The audio meter shows the volume levels of your audio. It uses decibel to measure loudness. Decibels are a unit that indicates how loud your audio is. Using the audio meter when editing audio is important because it's hard to tell how loud or quiet the sound is just by listening. The audio meter helps us be precise and make sure our video sounds good for viewers. In Premiere Pro, you'll find the audio meter on the right side of the screen. It looks like a vertical bar that moves up and down as your audio plays. 0 dB represents the maximum level before distortion occurs. It's important to keep your audio levels below 0 dB to avoid distortion and ensure clear, high-quality sound in your videos. Ideally, your audio should peak between -6 dB or -3 dB or decibels. This range is recommended because it ensures your audio is loud enough to hear clearly without distorting. We'll start by tagging the audio in the Essential Sound panel, which helps Premiere Pro identify the type of audio you're working with. Open the Essential Sound panel by going to Window on the top menu and selecting the Essential Sound. Once open, select the audio clip in the timeline and click on Dialog in the Essential Sound panel. Tagging your audio as dialogue helps Premiere Pro apply appropriate settings and effects designed specifically for spoken word. Next, we need to adjust the gain to set your audio levels at the good starting point. Right-click on your audio clip and select Audio Gain, or just press the letter G on your keyboard to use the shortcut. A window will pop up where you can adjust the gain by entering a value. Aim for peak levels between -6 and -3 decibels. This will ensure your audio is not too quiet or too loud before you make other adjustments. Keep adjusting the audio gain until the peak level of your dialogue sound is in the -6 decibel to -3 decibel range on the audio meter. So let's keep on adjusting it. Click on Set Gain, adjust it to, let's say, number 1. Click OK. Let's play it. It's on -12, and then adjust it again. One more time. Let's go to 10. Click OK, and then let's play it. It's reaching about -6. Another one. Let's go to 14. Click OK. It's reaching around -6 to -3 peak levels. And I'm happy with this audio meter. After setting the gain, we move on to reducing background noise. In the Essential Sound panel, find the Reaper section and enable the Reduce Noise option by clicking the checkbox next to it. Adjust the amount slider to reduce the background noise. Start with the moderate settings and increase it as needed until the unwanted noise is minimized. Reducing noise is crucial to make sure the spoken content is clear and easy to understand without distractions. Now, let's balance the audio using dynamic processing. In the Essential Sound panel, under the Clarity section, enable Dynamics by clicking the checkbox. Dynamic processing helps even out the volume by making quieter parts louder and the louder parts quieter, ensuring more consistent audio level throughout your clip. This step is essential for maintaining a balanced and professional sound. Finally, we normalize the audio to ensure consistent levels across your entire clip. Select your audio clip again, right-click, and choose Audio Gain. This time, select Normalize Max Peak and set the level to -3 or your desired peak level. Then click OK. Normalization ensures that all parts of your audio reach the same maximum level, preventing sudden jumps or drops in volume. By following these steps, you'll achieve clean, balanced, and professional sounding audio for your video projects.